Hello, everybody. This is how we ripped the S&P today for $2,500. So we can see of 25. You know what it is, man. You know what it is. Lost. Ooh, hold on, let me take these out. These goddamn nicotine pouches, bruh. Ooh. Okay. So let me show you guys how I made $2,500 today. So if we can see, we came up, wicked this bearish gap after sweeping, sweeping these lows, making an SMT. Right here, we sweep these lows, right? Then we do this accumulation. We wake up into this gap and kind of reject, definitely big time reject this bearish gap, and then we break out of this range, retest into it, come back up, sweep these low resistance highs, and then I was targeting just these lows after sweeping high, and then we fucking run through this fair value gap. This wasn't like a super confluence trade, just like I kind of knew where the market wanted to go after it came, broke out of the range, swept liquidity, and then we seen this get respected, and then I entered a little bit bigger position after I seen this, and then I was targeting these lows, but then it came here. I started to see it go up, so I got out of there. Yeah, I was being kind of a bitch, but hey, I still closed out 2,200 in profit for the day. The first trades I took, let's see, yeah, lost $1, lost 26, broke even, lost 62, and then hey, that's what we do around here, okay? That's what we do around here. We bang shit like that. So yeah, I mean, I really just knew where the market wanted to go, and then especially after this fair value gap getting filled, bearish order flow out of that, and then also we seen, so it actually still hasn't broken structure on the 5 minute, but on the 1 minute I knew that it was going to come and try to sweep the low resistance liquidity of that range, and I feel like it probably still will. I could have made a little bit of more money, but it's all good though. I made what I needed to, so, and that's beautiful. That's beautiful to see right there. Up 20, I risked about like 10. I don't even know. I'm not, or I only risked like 5%. So chilling, and then tomorrow we'll come in and only risk our profit. So then we will literally never go negative. But yeah, I still think it's gonna wanna come down here and take out these lows low key, and then I have my stop just above this high. And then now we're kind of just playing in this fucking fair value gap. But yeah, guys, that's how I made 2,200 today. Trading ES, trading the S&P 500. That's what we do. And then especially with the S&P or the SMT to ass crack. You know what I'm saying? But it was great. Yeah, and then like it was kind of a turtle soup. If any of you guys know what a turtle soup is, where you, so look at this. Hold up. If we go to the 30-minute, we break out. What am I saying right now, dude? We create the range, right? Sweep highs, break out of the range, and then retest, come up, and then take some more highs. So then I'm like, yeah, dude, that thing's definitely gonna pull back and sweep at that low resistance liquidity before moving higher. It was definitely a little bit more of a risky trade because I definitely think that once it sweeps these lows, or honestly, it could have just rejected and then moved higher to this gap, these highs, and then we have swept these highs, and then we even came up, tapped this gap, rejected, and then honestly that was kind of my short entry because I seen it reject off this hourly gap right here, and I'm like, yeah, we're definitely gonna push lower, take out that low resistance liquidity from earlier this morning. And that's kind of exactly what it did. And then after it closed below this fair value gap, and then I started seeing this. I seen this engulfing candle, and I'm like, whoa! Jumped out of there. Still made my 2,200 profit. So we will take it. You know what I'm saying? Good short position today. Couldn't ask for better. I have it, bro. I'm like, I'm trying. No. Don't get happy. I literally knew this is exactly what was gonna happen. This is exactly what was gonna happen. Price did exactly what I wanted it to do, or did exactly what I seeing it do. So I can't get excited. It just is more for me, not really about the P&L, but more of like I haven't been able to take a trade like the past week and a half. And then yesterday we came on and lost $300, and then bam, that's how we come back. Up 2,200. So that's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Heck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. Yo, transition me, ho. There we go. Everyone, you guys have a great rest of your day, man. Bam, that's how I banged a little bread on there today, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. It's great to see you, bro. Shit's beautiful, man. You love to see it. You love to see a trade get bust. You love to! Y'all boys have a great rest of your day. Love y'all.